Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. Today topic psychopharmacology. Main here, what is meaning of psychopharmacology? Means study of the about related psychiatric drugs. Means some people's affecting of the psychiatric problem. That's when you can study of the about psychiatric problem drugs. Here from the Greek word like meaning like a Greek word psyche like a breathe, life and soul. Pharmacon drug mean drug and laja means study of the about breathe, life, soul of the drugs like a related whoever like this affecting of the any related mind problem also that is psychopharmacology is the study of the drug induce. Once drugs can induce into the persons, that time they will get to the sometime changes. What changes means mood changes, think changes, and behavior changes. Whenever giving introducing of the medicines, that time you can study of psychology. How have the mood behavior thinking to the related drugs. And these drugs come in the natural sources like animals and from artificial sources. Naturally, you'll get the medications preparing means in plants and animals. And artificial means like a chemical synthesis in the laboratory. In lab only they will artificially they'll making of the medications. That is a psychopharmacology. Here, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Here, pharmacokinetics means what the body does to a drug. Means they will identify the once drug entering in the body, what main process. That is a pharmacokinetics. Here, pharmacokinetics refer to the movement of drug into. Once drug entering in the body, how the movement having to the body. Here, through and out of the body, the time course of the its absorption. The drugs sometimes some pharmacokinetic drugs is a absorption, bioavailability means related availability functioning, and distribution means one place to another place, and metabolism and excretion. This pharmacokinetics, the drugs one entering in the body, the pharmacokinetics will do up the what they will do absorption, bioavailability and distribution and metabolism and excretion. That is a main pharmacokinetics action. And drug pharmacokinetics determine the onset. Means when you are giving up the drugs, that time you can determine means at the drug and particularly means particular affecting. This under you can identify in the pharmacokinetics. And next pharmacodynamics. Here pharmacodynamics is the study of the biochemical and physiological effects of the drugs. Which drugs affecting like a physiological biochemical means you can study of the drug. These drugs affecting of the physiologically. These drugs affecting of the study of the biochemically and physiological effect of the drugs. And next, the effects can include those manifested within animals. First of all, you can try to the animals, how the animals affecting of the drugs reactions. First, you can try it in the animals, and after within the animals and microorganisms are combination of what they have the problem, which organ is killing of these drugs. Like this, you can try to the animals. Like and that is the pharmacodynamics. Next, the antipsychotic. One minute. It's main to treat schizophrenia means like a biological illness, any mental illness, and schizophrenia, preventing of the treat to the schizophrenia. And but they are also affecting in other psychotic states. They will also whenever whoever affecting of the other psychotic problem, that time also the drugs very useful, and including manic states means like mania condition. Mania means overactivity. Whoever have the overactivity, that time also useful of the antipsychotic drugs. And with the psychotic symptoms such as grandiosity. Grandiosity means like abnormal symptoms. Grandiosity means like abnormal symptoms. Paranoia. Paranoia means totally they have to the difficulty problems. Means difficulty situation time they'll get to the abnormal symptoms like a thinking, cognitive function, ideas, like they will get to the abnormally. And hallucination. Hallucination, like creativity. Delusion means false beliefs. Like this, whoever have to the symptoms, that a main useful of the drugs. Main here, see here grandiosity is there. Grandiosity means no imposing appearance, means abnormal body activities. So how you ever have to the abnormal body activities, that time we can provide to the antipsychotic drugs. Means here paranoia. See paranoia like a mental condition, like a jealousy, abnormal conditions having to be like a related mental. That time also useful of the this drugs. And hallucination. Example hallucination, in front of me snake not there, snake, but I'm hallucination, snake is there, I'm getting fear, like this hallucination, whatever not there but is there, like that imagination, like that is a hallucination. And antipsychotic do not eliminate the chronic thought disorders. This antipsychotic sometimes not whoever have the thought disorders, that time also not curable of the proper, because of chronically long period have means who can't control, sometimes not curable of the antipsychotic drugs. And but they often decrease the intensity of hallucination and delusion. Whoever have to the hallucination delusions, that time antipsychotic reduce of the hallucination and delusion. And permit the person with schizophrenia to function supportive environment. Whoever have to the schizophrenia, that time this antipsychotic drugs prevent of the schizophrenia and giving of the good environment supporting to the particular psychiatric patients. That time that patients will like a normally they will reduce of the all symptoms. You see here classification of drugs antipsychotic. Here two classification of antipsychotic: typical, atypical. In typical, so many conditions, so many drugs and also. Now we will discuss only one. We will discuss phenothiazide. In phenothiazide, one drug name chloropromazine. This chloropromazine is one chloropromazine, like you can give the orally and intravenously. Intravenously you can provide the injection. Chloropromazine inject to the intravenously, and orally tablets you can provide the related age people, sir. 10 mg, 25 mg, 50 mg, 100 mg, 200 mg related situation related symptoms you can provide of the chlorpromazine. And chlorpromazine action. This chlorpromazine is a member of a typical antipsychotic. This one of the drug is one of the antipsychotic drug and neuroleptic drugs. I told in starting, antipsychotic also called as of the neuroleptic drugs. Antipsychotic and neuroleptic same. This one of the drug is a chlorpromazine drug is a antipsychotic and neuroleptic drug. And also known as same like also known as first generation of antipsychotic. This may produce of the antipsychotic affect the postsynaptic blockade at the D2. D2 means dopamine receptors. Some dopamine receptors are total abnormally blockaging into the brain pathways receptor in the mesolimbic. One minute, ma. Okay. Main this mesolimbic pathway means in also some pathways is the parasympathetic way and sympathetic pathway. Like these pathways function totally blockaging. Once blockaging of pathways means they will affecting of the psychiatric problem. That's why main this chlorpromazine total wherever blockage of the D2 receptors immediately relaxation of the blockage of the D2 receptor that time normally function having the mind brain. Like this mechanism action of chlorpromazine. And side effects. Once taking up the chlorpromazine, what have the sleepiness like? And dizziness like a giddiness, eyes rounding, and lightheadedness, headache, dry mouth, blurred vision, tiredness, nausea, constipation, weight gain, trouble sleeping, means they can't sleep properly, may occur. Like this, whoever taking up the chlorpromazine, some of these affect the last or get worse. Let's tell your doctor. Once like this, whoever getting of effects, you can tell to the doctors and pharmacist. And dizziness and lightheadedness can increase of the risk of falling. Yes sir, no, whoever having to the dizziness and lightheadedness means they will falling or not? They will fall down or not?
Yes, ma'am, fall down.
Yeah, whoever have the dizziness like lethargy, no energy properly, and light head falling. That is and main advantages. Main what advantages have to the chlorpromazine? This chlorpromazine helps you think more clearly. See, some people so before taking up this drug, they'll thinking like abnormally, confusingly, no clearly. But this drug never taken these drugs think more clearly. This like here they will think clearly to the thinking. Yes, now say not nervousness, get no problem. Agree, some people something net problem. Okay, anyway, last topic only. Wait. Okay, main this chloropromazine like it helps to decrease of the hallucination and aggressive behavior and hurt yourself. Some people hurting to the yourself and some people hurting to the others also. Like this, whoever have to the any aggressive behavior, hallucination and hurting self activities like this, whoever have missed automatically chloropromazine helping to the all peoples and hearing seeing things that are not there once one things not there in the front of anyone but they're thinking yeah something is there like that hallucination like this whoever have any like this problem then this comes. Next, last one, nursing main nurse. Why means forcefully is that injection effect into the heart. That time heart problems will start. That's why you can give slowly up the intravenously and monitor pulse, BP, respiration carefully during IV administration. Whenever giving up the intravenously drugs, that time you can observe the monitor vital signs. And advise the patient to avoid alcohol, sleep inducing OTC. OTC means over the counter. Means over the OTC over the counter means non-prescription. Means without prescription don't take up the any medication. In any medical store also don't take. Only paracetamol, diclofenac, that you can take it means no problem. Without prescription like that, any related psychological drugs taking means that is very dangerous to the people. That's why you can advise the patient to can avoid the alcohol, sleep inducing OTC drugs. Don't take up the without prescription, and this could cause dangerous effects. Without prescription, anybody taking this, they will get to the dangerous. And advise the avoid becoming a pregnant while you are taking these drugs. You can avoid to the drugs in the pregnant time. Sometimes like this, any problem in the symptoms have in the pregnant time, the pregnant ladies will take sometimes drugs. You can tell to the drugs, don't take of the any drugs. You can avoid of the drugs in the pregnant time. And use other methods of contraceptions in place of oral contraceptive, which may lose their effect with these drugs. Some people in before sexual time they were using of the some drugs and miss some using of different drugs. That time we can tell to the use other methods of contraceptive like a oral contraceptives may lose the effect with the drugs. Whenever using of the sometimes oral contraceptives, that time they will affecting of the problem. That's why using some other way. So many contraceptives, some mechanical contraceptive, biological contraceptive in before sexual, they're using of the different contraceptives. That's why don't use up the main oral contraceptive drug. Just other way we can use up the methods of contraceptives. And take these drugs longer than 2 weeks. You can take up these drugs longer than 2 weeks. That time for insomnia, whoever lack of sleeping, that time 2 weeks rather than we can take up longer than we can take up this drug. This is a nursing responsibilities. Anybody have doubts? Hello, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody have doubts, ma'am? No doubts?
No, ma'am.
Only 35-36 members only attending. Why becoming I don't know jet group like that? See all students X and Y they're attending 60 above, but jet group only. Okay, no doubts any in about psychiatry class? Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.